What's up, guys? This is Trader Adam back with another video. I wanted to show you guys today how to swap, first of all, any cryptocurrency into Solana. If you want to get on Solana chain or Solana Network, you're going to have to go through what typically would be a bridge, but this site allows you to not have to do a bridge, okay? So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to swap Bitcoin for Solana on Solana Network, okay? So basically you go to swapsol.xyz, this website here. You can check it out. It's a pretty nice site. There's a little converter down here if you need to use that. But all you need to do is select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. We'll just do 0.01. I'm not actually going to send this through because I'm going to be doing this like a lot of these different videos and I don't want to just waste money on fees and stuff. But essentially all you need to do here, you can actually select Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Binance, Coin, Dash, Ethereum, Polygon, Sui, Toncoin, Tron, USDC, USDT, Wrapped ETH, or XRP. This video, I'm going to just show you Bitcoin. So we'll select Bitcoin, put the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and it'll tell you exactly the amount of Solana that you will have in your Solana wallet. So essentially, what I'm going to do is we're going to need to get a Solana address. Now, there's two really good wallets that you can use for Solana chain. My favorite is called Solflare, and that's what I have pulled up here. There's also one called Phantom Wallet, which is a really good wallet as well, but I prefer Solflare. So essentially, what we're going to need to do is get our wallet address after we click exchange. So if we wanted to do 0.01 Bitcoin into Solana, it would be 3.937 Solana that would show up in our wallet. Now, this website, you don't have to create an account. You don't have to connect any wallets. So you don't have to worry about your wallet getting hacked or anything like that. It's just going to give you I'll show you here. We'll click exchange. All you need to do, you need to send 0.01 Bitcoin to the address that they give us here in a second. And then you need to put in first here the recipient's SOL address. So where I would want to get the SOL would be here in my Solflare wallet. I would click on Solana here. And I would click receive, and then I would copy this address. And now I take that address because that's where I want the Solana to show up. I will put that in the recipient SOL address. I'll paste that, and then I'll click create an exchange. And so now from whatever site that I'm using that I have my Bitcoin on, I would just take that and I would send 0.01 Bitcoin to the deposit address here. It would be BC1Q ending in 2SVL. So I would copy this. I would put it in my, actually, let's just imagine that we had it on our Coinbase wallet. So I'll go up here to my Coinbase wallet. So let's say I had some Bitcoin in here. I would basically send it from here to here. So essentially, whichever wallet that you use, you would go here, you would send 0.01 Bitcoin to that address. And as soon as you do that, they will change this screen and it will say that it's processing, and then it'll send it and it will show up actually in that wallet that you sent as your recipient address. So in the future, I'll actually do this as a little tutorial, but this website does work. I've used it over 100 times probably at this point, and it's very trustable. So definitely go to the link in the description, swapsol.xyz. If you want to swap from one chain into Solana chain, this is definitely the way to go. Check that out in the link in the description. Thanks for stopping by this video, guys. That's how simple it is. Have a good rest of your day. And if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon.